If you're in real estate and you want to save time, respond faster to leads, and automate repetitive tasks, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your real estate business with Zapier in a simple step-by-step workflow. We'll set up an automation that captures new leads and sends them where they need to go, so you can stay organized and focus more on closing deals and less on manual work. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier and sign into your account. Once you're inside Zapier, look for the Create button near the top or in the main dashboard. This is where you start building your automation, which Zapier calls a Zap. Click Create. Then choose Zap Workflows so you can build a custom automation from scratch. Now, we need to set up the trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation, like when someone fills out a Facebook lead form. Click on Trigger to begin. In the app search box, type Facebook lead ads and select it from the results. This is a great choice for real estate because it can capture new inquiries from ads, open houses, or lead generation campaigns. Next, choose the trigger event. Select New Lead. This tells Zapier to run the workflow whenever a new lead comes in through Facebook lead ads. After that, log into your Facebook account and connect the correct business account or ad account. Make sure you select the right page and lead form so the automation pulls data from the exact source you want. Once the trigger is connected, move to the action step. The action is what Zapier does after a lead arrives. Click on Action, then search for an app you want to send the lead data to. For this example, we'll use Google Sheets, but you could also use tools like Gmail, Slack, a CRM, or another app your real estate business uses every day. Select Google Sheets from the list. Then choose an event such as creating a new spreadsheet row. This is useful because every new lead can automatically be added to a lead tracker, contact list, or follow-up sheet. After choosing the event, log into your Google account so Zapier can connect to your spreadsheet. Now click Build It in the top area to continue setting up the workflow. At this point, Zapier will guide you through mapping the lead information from Facebook into your chosen action. For example, you can map the lead's name, email, phone number, and any custom questions directly into your Google Sheet columns. This keeps your pipeline clean and makes it much easier to follow up quickly. Before you publish anything, click Test Run. This is an important step because it lets you make sure the trigger and action are working correctly. Testing helps confirm that the lead data is flowing properly and that your workflow will run the way you expect in real life. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust the setup before making it live. Once the test is successful, click Publish. That's it. Your Zap is now live, and your real estate automation is ready to handle new leads for you automatically. Instead of manually copying information from one place to another, Zapier does the repetitive work in the background so you can respond faster and stay more organized. You can build on this same idea for other parts of your real estate business too. For example, you could send new leads to a CRM, notify your team instantly, add contacts to an email list, or create a follow-up task so no lead gets forgotten. The best part is that once you understand the basics, you can keep stacking automations to save even more time. If you want to grow a smarter, more efficient real estate business, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.